What's up, guys? I'm back again. It's your one and only favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. My name is Ofentse Ledwaba. Welcome to my channel, guys, once again, and thank you guys for always supporting me. Today, guys, I'll be giving you much more clarity where Nasdaq was, where it's going, where US30 was, where it's going, and the trades that we managed to capitalize on. So basically, you'll be able to see how I managed to take those trades, how we were able to be profitable. And also, guys, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends and families, and also make sure that everyone gets this knowledge about Forex trading and be able to learn about. If you like to use the broker that I'm using, please click the link below. And if you like to learn directly from me, you know what to do. Visit the website, click the link below, and also contact us on WhatsApp for further payment details that suits your need. Let's go into the charts. We on the charts now, guys. Let me show you how we managed to catch this trade and how it's going, guys. As I've mentioned, let's go back to the higher time frame. I'm gonna try to make the analyzing as easy as possible and as simpler as I can, guys. This will eventually make you become a profitable trader once you have clean charts and you're able to understand that you're not only doing this to have everything all over the place, but you like to have a clean chart and be able to understand that it's your daily plan, your trading plan, and you're also focusing on getting a clarity on what is happening to the market. It won't help having too many lines. Some people, yes, they can trade that way, but I specifically prefer to trade this way. I prefer clean charts. Okay, I'm gonna delete this, but I just want you to see where we are and why we managed to catch this move. Okay, how I normally analyze, I look at the previous move, which gives me the impulse, and I look at the correction, and also look at the fact that I have my Fib levels, which they tell me that where the market will eventually have a estimate where it will turn. But I always say that 38.2, as you can see, my Fib level is defined in 38.2, and also give it that manner. So this helps me to be able to get moves where trades will turn. You can see this one pushed below, but when I analyzed this, it was just around this level. But you can see now market pushed a little bit down, and then we are still within that Fib 38.2. So guys, this is one of the strongest points, so you need to understand. So here we had our sell position and still in profit with tail stops around about, is it, I think it's about this, yeah, our stop loss just here. So anticipating it to push a little bit further and reach this level. So okay, fine. Now let's do this. Remove everything, because the people want to learn, people want to understand how you're able to analyze the market. So I see, okay, I'm on daily. Nas100, one of my favorites. Okay, I can see that specifically by looking at this, I'm seeing a downtrend. Why am I seeing a downtrend? Okay, let's do this. Okay, even impulse, correction, and then this move, correction, bigger correction, impulse. But now we can see that along this level here, we are seeing some sort of movement showing improvements, that it's possible that the market can push to the upside. But now let's not look at that. Let's do this. Our highest point will be this one. This will be our highest point. Make sure you draw your highest point and your lowest point. They definitely assist you in seeing where we have the box here. You can see we have the market here, and then now we have to draw our trend lines. You can use this one. This one. And you can clone this one or use control and drag. You can clone this one, clone, and then put it here. You see? So now you have a nice downtrend that was happening. You can see we pushed, impulse, push, impulse. So that was a very nice trade. And you can see here we have a nice double M formation or double top. You can see we have something that looks like this. Nice information. So for this market to push to the upside, we should be having a nice head and shoulders, possibly that we can have this, and then somewhere around here, then push further to the upside. So you can see that at this level we are having this point as our strongest point. So we do this, I'll use this as my strong demand zone. Let's see, this is my strong demand zone. Okay, I'm still on daily. Okay, fine. Many will ask me, how do I know where this thing is gonna turn? Look what is happening here. If use my fib, this is our first impulse. Okay, let me do this. Let me show you again. This is okay. Let me do this. Okay, I'll draw this. Let me do this. Okay, you'll see what I'm trying to show you guys, the easy way of understanding. You see, and then this was a correction, and then impulse. Okay, now we are here. So I'm just gonna move this here. I want to show you guys the easy way that I use my fib. So my fib will start here. I cannot take it all the way there and disregard this point here. You understand? I cannot disregard this point because there was another correction here. So this one, I'll put it here. So you can see where we are, 38.2, guys. You see, this is still within 38.2 and 23.6. So me selling here, I would definitely sell here and put my stop loss in this manner and then take it all the way down. This is what definitely happened here. You understand? We managed to catch this trade because this is what happened here. Let me draw it here so that you can be able to understand it clear. Okay. There it is. And then now I have my supply zone here. Supply zone. Practice makes perfect. I know I make it look easy, but guys, it was not easy in the beginning. So take it all the way. Yeah. Okay, fine. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame, since we managed to draw our points and see where we are currently. So how I managed to catch this extra trade as well, I'll show you. So now we have our supply zone here, and then we knew that we pushed it down. Okay, so now let me do this, reached our TP. Now let's go to 1 hour. Nice one. Okay, take this one. So the reason why I was saying this is our nice demand zone. If we are able to check it, let's see what is happening. Yes, this area is very nice. Okay. Do this. This area is very nice. We have a potential to reverse around this level and push to the upside. That way, this will make this reverse head and shoulder. Will be this, and then obviously as push there, it's an inclining one. Then you come here and you can push further to the upside. You see, push further up, then it will reverse. But now let's look at what is currently happening, guys. Also, it's important to look at the bigger picture and also take into consideration what is currently happening. So you can see here we're reversing. It corrected, the market corrected, and it pushed where? Around 38.2. Understand, guys? Pushed, reverse, boom. Okay, fine. Told you guys I'll make the market as easy as possible as you can, and then now you guys will be able to understand much easier. Okay, fine. Where's my supply area? My supply area now is here, 38.2. That's where now we put in our sell positions. I showed you guys where we entered, and we are cruising nicely. We are into profit. So basically you can see where we managed to take part. So our TP1 is hit. Yes, our TP1 is hit. TP1 was around this point. Yeah, our TP1 was around this point. The TP was around this point. Okay. TP2 should be around here. Yeah, it's hit as well, and then we are expecting TP3 around this level here. So let me show you guys my Dow Jones, my US30. That one really paid us very nice. Oh, it's still pushing. Okay, fine. We're having a similar pattern, and as you can see that you have to put your stop loss at the right place so that you give the market a little bit of room, so that the market is able to give you much more clearance, and then they don't take you out so quickly. So let's look at what's currently happening here. Similar setup to the Nasdaq. You see, we have a pattern, and then we have a downtrend showing us. So this one is showing is much more clearer than the Nasdaq. We have much more chance to push to the downside before we reverse. I like this one. So don't force setups, guys. Wait for the setup to give you what the market wants to do. Wait for the setup. Don't wait for sniper entries. I talk about sniper entry. I take sniper entry because practice makes perfect, guys. I perfected the skill of grasping there. So look what is currently happening. Impulse, correction, impulse. You understand? Simple as that. Let's do this. Where's my brush? Okay. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Simple as that. But you have to know that the market won't just come in a book form. Sometimes you get impulse, and then you get correction in this manner, and then something like this. Understand? You can see this one is just a spike going up, something like this. It's a correction because it's coming after an impulse move. So now let me show you guys. You saw how we managed to catch this one. Okay, fine. I'm gonna remove this and show you again. You get free sessions here, guys. But if you like to learn from me, you know what to do. WhatsApp our admin, or also click on the website and pay using various methods. And also, if you're having issues, you can also scroll down and click under info and FAQ, so you can get better payment details that suits your needs. So let's look at this. What is currently happening? Okay, fine. I can see. Nice. This will be our lowest point, but it's too far to look at what's happening in 2020. So like now, let's look at what is currently happening. I'm gonna draw my lowest point, which is this one, and then I'm gonna draw my highest point. Technically, I should be using this, but I like to use this at the highest point so that this will be a confluence. Okay, fine. Let's look, and then what is currently happening. Okay, the skill that again I'm gonna show you for free. You can also draw your fib levels on daily time frame. Look what is happening. You can see here we reversed around 23.6. You can see here we had our supply zone. Many people ask me, like, I can draw it with my eyes closed. Look, I knew that here we're gonna drop. I was just waiting for a candlestick formation. I knew that this is a supply. This is a nice supply area. This is a nice supply area. So now let's go back, because I don't like to take you guys back in time too much. Okay, fine. You saw it's not the first time I show you guys the fib, one of my favorites. See, you can see 38 failed, and then 23, but then you can see that we still rejected around 23 and this one. So that's why I always advise, whenever you are selling, at least give the market a little bit of room, and then you take it all the way down. You can see the risk ratio is good. So risk well, guys, so that you can be able to give the market a little bit of room. Okay, fine. Now let's see where we are going and how we're gonna get there. Okay. Technically, already I can see that it's a downtrend. How? Look, we are below this. Or drawing my clone line, look, down, and then boom. Understand? So we have a chance of pushing here. If we don't push here, we might as well come back a little bit up before we push down, form a double bottom, an M, a W, and then before we shoot to the upside. Okay, this is what we had here. See, it's like something like this, and then the reverse is something like this. That's why I say this one is looking much more like Nasdaq100, so we can possibly reverse somewhere. Understand? So expecting a similar move. So I'm expecting to push a little bit down. But now, let's not complicate things. Let's trade like Forex heroes. Okay, now you can see. For our, let's see, what do you have in store for us? You can see we have something similar, and you're asking yourself, how will these guys manage to push this thing down? I showed you on higher time frame, and then you can see this one is 38. You can see this was a nice supply area. It was a nice supply area. Okay, now let's see. The demand zone was somewhere here. It was a nice demand zone. But then it's possible that the market can be able to reverse even here, a nice here, or even form a spike and then push to the upside. Or even subsequently, we can push further to the downside because we are still in a downtrend. Don't force the market to reverse. And if the market is showing moves, pushing and then continue to sell. Don't force the market to reverse. We follow what the market is giving us. So now let's just look at what is currently happening. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove this. And again, this, yes, we did fall. For our is. So I'm still in a downtrend currently. I can see even when I draw this pattern that is currently happening here, something like this, and then this one will be something like this. So I can see that we are still pushing to the downside. So you can see how we managed to catch this one. You saw that time we had a fib level giving us a much more clarity. Can you even start here with this? You see a nice one. So we pushed. So currently now we are reaching our last TP. Past TP1, that's why I was saying this one is giving us nice move. Past TP1. TP2 here, TP3, we're almost there. Almost. I'm loving this one, guys. We are almost there. I'm loving this. Reach here, we do have a potential of passing here and then correcting, and even better here. Understand? So, guys, from me, myself, your one and only, your favorite mentor, Forex hero, Ofentse Ledwaba. Guys, please do not forget to click like, subscribe, and share with your friends and families. I'm glad I could share this analysis with you guys. You bounce here and then so We'll be getting much more videos this week. And also, guys, please do not forget to trade with the broker that I'm using, the trusted broker. Please click on the link below and open your own Forex trading account. Let's start making money. Peace.